This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take a Turkey visa. Obtaining your Turkish visa can be a straightforward process, especially with the convenient e-visa system. Most travelers can apply online for tourism or business purposes, requiring just a valid passport, an email address, and a credit or debit card for payment. However, depending on your nationality and travel intent, some individuals might need to apply for a traditional sticker visa through a Turkish embassy or consulate. We'll cover both options to help you prepare for your trip. Before applying, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months past your planned entry date into Turkey. For certain nationalities, an existing valid Schengen, United States, United Kingdom, or Ireland visa or residence permit is a prerequisite for e-visa eligibility. Additionally, you might need to provide proof of your accommodation, a confirmed return ticket, and demonstrate you have adequate financial means, such as $50 per day, to cover your expenses during your visit. For an e-visa, visit the official government website, evisa.gov.tr. You'll complete an online application form with your personal and travel details. After submitting, you'll receive an email to verify your address, followed by instructions to pay the visa fee using a MasterCard, Visa, or Union Pay credit or debit card. Once payment is confirmed, your e-visa will be emailed to you. If you require a sticker visa, you must schedule an appointment and apply in person at a Turkish embassy or consulate. It's highly recommended to apply for your e-visa at least 48 hours before your departure, as processing times can vary. Sticker visa applications typically require more time, often around 15 days for tourist visas, so plan accordingly. While your e-visa is electronically linked to your passport, carrying a printed copy can help ensure a smoother experience at immigration. Also, for easy travel and organized meals, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.